Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add camera shake effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my project on CapCut and I'm going to apply camera shake effect to all these photos. I'm going to create camera shake effect editing and I'm going to add music first guys. I'm going to go to the audio and then select sound and I'm going to add sound from CapCut. I'm going to search this music, and I'm going to add this music, and then I'm going to add beat more guys to my audio. I'm going to select beat, okay, and I'm going to choose auto beat, and then I'm going to reduce the intensity, okay, and I'm going to adjust the adjust the cut to the beat mark, okay, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add camera shake effect. If you want to add camera shake effect, we can go to the effect and then select the photo effect, and you can only apply this camera shake effect to your photo. Wait, it's still loading. I'm going to search for the camera shake. Wait guys, where is it? Not particle, motion. Okay, let's try motion. Okay, this one, camera shake, but it's still loading. So you can find the camera shake effect on the motion category. Okay, and you can apply this effect to all your photos if you want, or just apply it to one of your photos. Okay, and I'm going to apply it to this photo as well. I'm going to apply it to all my photos. Yeah, just like this. You can go to the motion and choose the camera shake, this one. Okay, and it will create something like this guys. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay guys, and that's how we can add camera shake effect to our photo on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.